Hello and welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly install a WordPress plugin. But before we get into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and by the end of this video, leave a comment and also like the video. You can also share the video so that we can be able to reach as many as possible. Now, once you have installed WordPress, the next thing that you will need to do is to install the plugins. Actually, a plugin is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress website. They can extend functionality or add new features to your WordPress website. For example, let's say you wanted to add a contact form. You can only be able to do that using a plugin, and there are several plugins for that. We have like the WordPress, the WP forms, the contact form 7, and so much more. If you wanted, for example, if you wanted to add these social icons here, you can be able to do that using plugin. If you wanted to add, let's say, the share buttons, you can also be able to do that using a plugin. So plugins, what they do mostly is that they make life easier. They make using WordPress a lot much easier. So how do you install a WordPress plugin? To install WordPress plugin, first you'll need to log on to your dashboard. And once you are on the dashboard, you will need to go to the plugins, hover on the plugins, and then click on the plugins, then add new. So let's say we want to add a plugin called W Super Cache. You can click add new. When you click add new, it will show you the featured plugins, and there are also, if you can see that for the featured plugins, we have the Akismet anti-spam, we have Jetpack by WordPress.com, have Classic Editor, the BB Press. You remember the Classic Editor is actually being overtaken by the new updated WordPress version. We have the Gutenberg, we have health check and troubleshooting. Another category is the popular plugins. For the popular plugins, you can be able to see that we have the likes of Contact Form 7. It's active, meaning that it's already installed. We have the Yoast, we have Jetpack, we have WooCommerce, WordPress Importer, and so much more. And here you have the recommended, the WordPress directory, WordPress plugin directory is showing you the recommended plugins. Now they're showing me that I need to be installing WooCommerce, the WordFence for security and all that, Elementor Page Builder, TablePress, all-in-one WP migration, MailChimp for WordPress, the events. So for the case of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a plugin that is not on the list. So let's say you are looking somewhere and you found out that a plugin like WP Super Cache is good for your website. It's not actually appearing on your results. So just go there, search using the keyword. You can also be able to filter the search using the author or the tag. That is, if you know the name of the author of the plugin, or the tag. And then once the results come up, you will find that the WP super cache is here. So how do we install? It's simple. Just click on the install button and it will start installing. It will start to install. Once it is installed, you will be asked to activate, which is very easy. Just so you can, if you come to the plugins already installed ones, you can see that the WP super cache is active. So from there, you can be able to start doing the settings. It was as easy as that.